Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove Grammarly extension from Microsoft Edge. So if you installed Grammarly in your Microsoft Edge and if you want to remove, so open Microsoft Edge, then click on these three dots, then click on extensions. So here you will see a list of extensions which installed to your Microsoft Edge browser. So as we can see, Grammarly is installed. If you want to remove, so click on this remove option. Remove Grammarly for Microsoft Edge from Microsoft Edge. So if you want to remove, so click on remove. And there is another option, you not want permanently remove, just you want to disable for a while. So select to off position. So it will stay this Grammarly in your Edge browser, and when you need, so you can enable it from here like this, disable or enable. And if you don't need to use Grammarly and you want to speed up your Microsoft Edge browser, so just remove it. Again click on remove, and that's it. So like this guys, you can uninstall and remove Grammarly extension from Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.